Good morning, student. In moral science, today we will start the chapter making correct choices in life. Correct choices mean the right choice that we have to take in our life. See, if I talk about the challenges, we all love to take the challenges. Yes, everyone love to take challenges to show that how I'll win, and I will show him that yeah, I'm very very strong. But here in this chapter, they have shown that it's not always that you accept challenge. Sometimes you need to see this is good or bad challenge. Because what happened? Sometimes we take bad challenges also to prove that yes, I can do. Huh? And what happened ultimately? We lose in our life. Actual life we lose. At that time you win, but actually you lose. So in this chapter they have shown very clearly that you need to take a very clever decision at that time. है ना? That you need to accept the challenge or not. It's not always that you will accept the challenge. Sometimes it happen. Oh ये तो नहीं कर पाएगा and all that table से. अगर लगता है कि ये काम नहीं करना चाहिए, ये काम गलत है, तो हाँ भाई मैं नहीं कर सकता हूँ, मैं कमज़ोर हूँ, ये एक्सेप्ट कर लो ना उनके सामने. व्हाट्स अ बिग डील. बट इन योर लाइफ you will achieve success. That's the story says. So what happened here? There are two boys. One is Ankit and another is Himanshu. So what happened? This Ankit, है ना? Ankit is what, like he is involved in all sort of things, है ना? Bad one. So what happened? He offered him a cigarette, है ना? To smoke it. Come on, do it, Himanshu. Come on. Then he said no, है ना? Then what happened? This Ankit is like anything, like making a pressure, है ना, on his hair. Come on, you can. Otherwise, what he will say? If he is not doing, then he will say, oh, you're a coward, है ना? You can't. You're not as strong. So what happened? Then he think about like his Uncle Sami was there. So he just like started thinking about him and telling him his friend also, like how Uncle Sammy was there and how he used to share everything with him, like Uncle Sammy used to love him like anything, and used to solve all his problem. Whatever the talk he was having, he was doing with Uncle Sammy. Each and everything he used to do. Means Uncle Sammy used to make anything like which is boring, he used to make some like interesting. So that type of bonding was there between like this Himanshu and his uncle. So he's thinking about now his uncle, and now Ankit is offering at that time, he is just thinking about the his uncle. Yeah, what was the thing? Then what happened one day, means when he is thinking, the story only I'm telling you, when he is thinking, okay. So what happened, the mother says that the Uncle Sammy is very serious and he is having a lung cancer. Lung cancer because he was always smoking and it has all infected his lung. Now means very less chance is there to like exist and all. So it's all are crying and the situation is worst. Then what happened, this Himanshu, like that time he thought ki means I was there with Uncle Sammy and I never told him that uncle don't do, as they were having very good bonding, है ना, he would have said कि uncle don't do it, but he didn't. So he was thinking he did wrong and all those things. Then he went to hospital also to see his uncle. That time his uncle said that take those challenges. See, challenges either it will make you or break you, obviously. But if you take good challenges, it will make you, and if you take a bad challenges, it will break you. And so you should not take those challenges which you win for a some time, but actually in your life you lose. So what happened? If a cigarette, so now we come to the actual story which was going on, like the conversation between the two boys. Like Ankit was offering the cigarette and he just told no, and he was just like thinking about his uncle and the whole story. So why he was not taking the cigarette? Because he already knew what was the adverse effect of the cigarette, how his uncle suffered. Means once, obviously in his life also, his uncle was also asked by someone that come on do it, and uncle might did, and uncle got with that used to, and every time he used to doing and all that, and ultimately his lung got infected and all everything. So everything gone away. So that thing was there inside him, and he learned from that. Main thing is that he learned from that. So after that, Then also Ankit said, come on, take it, come on, leave all this thing, leave all these stories, come on, take this. Then he just saw him, and that seeing shows that he is saying no. Whether you think I'm weak or I'm strong or whatever, but wrong decision I should not take. And one more thing, if you have taken the wrong decision, if you have taken, then please don't think, yeah, I've taken wrong decision, now what? How can I come back? Any time you can come back. It's never too late. You can come at any time. So you need to, but that thing should get inside your mind that yes, this is right or wrong, because ultimately you're going to miss. You need to realize, the time you realize, please come back. It's not that if you have done smoking or like your friends and all, so all can come back, into your life. So this is what the conversation between Ankit and Himanshu was going on, and Himanshu took correct decision by remembering his uncle. Okay. So thank you. In next class, I'll be like giving you a few questions and all. So just read the chapter, because I've just told you the main theme of the story. Thank you.